Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to make a form page on Wix. So guys, if you want to start creating your own website using Wix, you can get started with my link in the description down below. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to sites over here at the top and just simply select your site. And from here, just simply go ahead and click on edit this site over here or edit site at the top right, and from here it will redirect you to the website editor. So guys, from here just simply go ahead and go to the left side of the screen where you see the add elements or the plus icon. So click on that, and from here guys, just simply go ahead and go for contact and forms. So from here guys, you should be able to see here multiple forms. So you can create a new form, you can add an existing form, and down below you should be able to see here some pre-made forms which you can choose a different types of form that suits your situation. And down below you should be able to see here other forms as well. So from here, pretty much you will have a template, and just simply select a template that will be based on your brand. So let's say I'm gonna go for this one, photography, content, and release form. And now from here, we will be able to create a form. So from here, just simply drag it to your specific area that you prefer. And now from here, when you click on the form, you should be able to see here, edit form. So from here on the edit form, you should be able to edit everything. So guys, from here, you should be able to change the text over here. You can rename it and change it. And as you can see, we should be able to see here if it's a required field, and you should be able to see the field title as well. And now guys, over here on the left side, you should be able to see here multiple options that you can choose from as well. You can add choices, you can add short answer, long answer, so it will pretty much depending on you. And guys, over here you should be able to see the preview at the top. You should be able to see the settings over here, which you can see all of the detailed settings for your forms. And when you go to the submissions, you should be able to see here all of the people who submit into your form. And now just simply click on save, and that's pretty much it. When you go to the settings over here, you should be able to change the layout and design. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.